Write a letter to your friend inviting him to attend your elder sister's marriage ceremony. 10 November 2025, 36 by 3, Rampura, Dhaka. Dear Rafi, you will be glad to know that the marriage ceremony of my elder sister comes off on 22nd November 2018. I cannot even think of passing this happy occasion without our presence. My parents have also asked me to invite you. Some of your some of our others friends will also attend the ceremony. So I would request you to come to our house at last 3 days earlier. We all will have a very nice time. If you join us, please don't disappoint me. My best regard to your parents and love to the youngers. Looking forward to getting you amongst us. Ever yours, Monir. From to Monir Hussain, Dhaka to Rafi Imam, Munshigons. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page.